It is undeniable that America's giant wood crushers play an important role in turning wood materials into high-value products. Please join us in following the wood processing process of these advanced machines. Like and subscribe to our channel, you will have luck tomorrow. Introducing the Morbark 3400 XT, the compact yet powerful wood chipper that is revolutionizing the industry. With an impressive shredding capacity, it processes more than 150 cubic meters of wood per hour, turning logs into valuable biomass fuel and mulch. With its rugged design and high-performance capabilities, the PTH 1200 can process more than 100 cubic meters of wood per hour, making it an important tool for large-scale woodworking projects. Introducing the all-road Pezolato PTH 1400/820, a self-propelled barrel grinder equipped with a powerful Scania engine with a capacity of 550 horsepower. With automated travel and high-performance motors ensuring efficient wood processing while minimizing environmental impact. Morbark 2230 whole tree chipper is an advanced solution for efficient wood processing, with the impressive ability to carve entire trees up to 30 inches in diameter. With its rugged design, the Morbark 1821 introduction can handle large diameter logs, producing high-quality chips for mulch and biomass fuel. With the impressive ability to process logs up to 25 inches in diameter, the Vermeer WC2500 XL wood chipper efficiently turns wood into valuable wood chips. A symbol of innovation and reliability, the Vermeer HG6800 Texas redefines wood grinding with its outstanding performance, making it an indispensable tool for land reclamation and recycling operations. Morbark 2230 CAT powered 415 HP, a formidable machine capable of devouring entire pine trees. Introducing the T770 compact track loader combined with the high-flow Erskine stump grinder, a dynamic duo in land management. They effectively solve tree stump removal tasks, help reclaim land and protect the environment. The important role of the Kubota SVL753 stump grinder in land management ensures accurate and fast tree stump removal, improving safety and aesthetics in landscape projects. Introducing the VZ850RGs, an advanced shredder that redefines waste management. With its impressive shredding capacity, it processes more than 150 tons of material per hour, effectively reducing bulky waste into valuable resources. A symbol of power and efficiency, the Moorbach 30RXL with its 1050 horsepower Cat C27 engine redefines wood chopping with its outstanding performance. With its sturdy construction and high-speed operation, the powerful wood chipper effectively crushes wood into fine chips while applying a protective coating. With advanced technology and precise techniques, modern wood chippers can carve pine trees into small, uniform pieces with outstanding efficiency, creating favorable conditions for mulching and biomass fuel production. Is an advanced, revolutionary machine in wood processing. With impressive chopping capacity, the Forst ST6 wood chipper can shred up to 6 inches in diameter, making it ideal for small to medium-sized batches of wood. A symbol of reliability and innovation, the DC160 redefines wood chipping with outstanding performance that meets the needs of professionals. The important role of the Moorbach 1300 tub grinder in waste management ensures wood waste is minimized while promoting environmental sustainability. Is an advanced solution for effective wood processing. Vermac T9 FR90 Rev wood chipper turns large logs into valuable pieces of wood. The Vermac T180 Rev grinder ensures effective waste management, promoting sustainability in site clearance projects. A modern machine designed to process wood efficiently, the Trellin wood chipper is capable of chopping large volumes of wood in record time. Clue KSG2X tree stump grinder, a powerful attachment designed to operate on a 9-ton Taikuchi excavator, effectively removes tree stumps with ease. With a compact design and powerful grinding ability, the Clue SG1SW tree stump grinder can effectively grind tree stumps of different sizes. Next is the Timbico Feller Buncher, a powerful and flexible machine with a strong operating mechanism, making an important contribution to the development of the wood processing industry. Trillin 786 with CATT27 plays its important role in forestry operations, ensuring efficient use of wood resources, promoting sustainability in land management practices. With the power of the CAT C27 engine, the Trellin 786 delivers outstanding performance, setting a new standard for reliability and wood chipping efficiency. The Moorbach Model 40/36 with CAT 765 HP engine is a powerful drum chipper designed to handle mixed brush and limbs, easily turning mixed vegetation into high-quality wood chips and optimizing land use and promoting environmental sustainability. With a sturdy structure and advanced technology, Hakatusta G11 delivers outstanding performance in chipping wood into high-quality chips, ensuring effective treatment of wood waste.